In this video, we'll be talking about one of the proximity analysis tool called buffer. Proximity analysis is a basic function in GIS. The whole idea is to understand what is around the features on a landscape. Here I have an MXD opened. I have a couple of layers here. I have a beach layer specifically for Sandwich and Barnstable. And these are the two towns I want to mainly focus on. And then there's a towns layer that's specifically for these two towns. And now the gray towns is the rest of Massachusetts. In this exercise, what I want to do is I want to apply a 1,000 feet buffer around each of these points. Now, what a buffer is it will create a zone around each of these features, and it will turn these points into a polygon. In order to get to the buffer, it is in our ArcToolbox, and it is under Analysis, under Proximity, and there's a buffer tool. Here what I want to do is I want to indicate the input feature, and since I want to place the buffer around the beach, it will be the beach select. The next thing I want to do is I want to save it and name it. So I'm going to type in beach underscore 1,000 feet buff. So this will help me indicate what is the zone around the points. And here the next step is I am going to type in 1,000. And since I'm using feet, I am going to go into the drop down and find feet. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to hit OK, and it's going to run. Here is my buffer result. It is now under the table of contents, and I am going to zoom in to take a closer look. And I am going to take my measure tool, and I am going to measure the distance from the edge to the center of the point. I'm going to make sure that's set in feet, and I am going to go ahead and measure. So from the edge to the point is about 1,000 feet, and I am going to check from the point to the other side of the edge, and again, it's about 1,000 feet. So it looks like the tool has successfully ran the 1,000 feet buffer around each of the points. Now, as you can see, there's a couple polygons that are overlapping, mainly because these points are within really close proximity to each other. Now, sometimes we want the overlaps to occur and sometimes we don't. Now here is my dissolve buffer result. And as you can see previously, it was 3 different polygons in this specific area. So I'm going to check this so we can take a look at the old result. And now after it has been dissolved, it is now one entire polygon. Now this is how you use dissolve for points, and it works exactly the same way if you were to use a polyline or a polygon as your input feature. It's just going to create a buffer zone around that specific geometry feature.